All right, Steven, what'd you get? What'd you get this time?
Well, this time, this is a me gift.
No, the UPS truck comes out here every day.
Actually, this one's for me because I ordered it due to my other one's battery went bad.
So this is not this is not something for the truck.
No.
Wow, it's not something for the truck.
No. Well, it is kind of for the truck.
Not for the truck, but kind of for the truck. That's interesting.
Yeah, it's for the truck.
I bet that UPS man thinks that we're made of money or something.
Well, we are made of money.
We are.
Yeah. Without a body, you can't make money. So we got a money-making body. There we go.
Ha! Ow! Salati hair clippers for men. Salati.
Definitely doesn't sound American.
No, it doesn't. It probably says made in China somewhere. No, it does.
Oh, that was my ear.
Sorry, but it does say made in China. You ordered some Chinese beard trimmers.
That must be a Chinaman on the front of it, huh?
Bird clock went off. It's 2 o'clock.
It ain't no bigger than a razor. It'd be easier to carry around.
Let me see that. Chinese.
Let me see her.
Oh, it's vibrating.
Uh-oh, Ruthie might run off with it. Vibrate.
Steven, it's not true.
If it disappears, we know what happened to it.
Let me see.
Look underneath the bed. Ruthie's around.
No, you need not talk like that. It does look like a Chinese man on it.
Well, I guess I'm supposed to cut out a Fu Manchu, eh? No, it doesn't. Chinese people don't have beards like that.
What does the 99 mean?
That's how much percent of the battery is.
Oh.
It's fully charged.
Oh, okay.
And because 99 is as high as it goes, they don't have room for 3 digits. So my other one died, and I had that thing for how long? You got that years ago.
Years ago.
My other one died. It just goes boo. And it won't even cut a hair.
All right, here, hold it up to you for a second.
Ooh. Oh, it feels good.
Okay, so you got yourself a Salati beard trimmer.
Yep. Got a beard trimmer with a little bearded guy on there. You know what that bearded guy is on there for?
No.
Because it's not for a bearded woman.
Oh!
So you ever hear that joke about the old lady who used to go in and get her face lifted every year? And after about 20 years of facelifts, she came home and grandkid said, Granny, I didn't know you had a beard. And she said, that's not my beard. That's my...
Steven! Steven!
Yeah, a lot of facelifts.
Steven!
Pulled a little too hard.
Oh my goodness. Bad. Well, what package are you going to have tomorrow? Are these...
That's, I don't have no more coming right now.
Everything you've ordered has already come.
Yep. Everything is so. I have all my orders in. It means it's time for me to.
Go back to work.
Yeah.
To pay for them all.
Yeah, I gotta make a run. Pay for my shaver. God bless. Have lots of fun. Wherever you are. And later.
You're corny.